See a live demonstration of an AI chatbot for garden centers. Watch as visitor questions are typed directly into the Asyntai chat widget, and it answers in real time, using the garden center's own website content to provide helpful and accurate information to customers. Many garden center visitors have questions that need answering right away, even when staff are busy. Let's see what happens when we ask real questions and get real answers from the AI. The chat bubble you see is where the magic happens for your customers. Many customers struggle with finding the right plants for their unique garden conditions. Let's see what Asyntai recommends for those trickier, shady areas. Here's what the AI has to say. Asyntai's AI chatbot is designed to focus exclusively on our services. It expertly answers questions about Asyntai's AI chatbot solutions. You can explore how our products can enhance your website's performance. For those looking to add a touch of elegance, knowing the ideal planting window is crucial. Asyntai can help pinpoint the perfect time for beautiful blooms. See what it's telling us now. This AI is designed to focus on Asyntai's chatbot services. It can detail our products and explain their benefits for your website. Let this powerful tool enhance your online presence. Sustainability is a growing concern for gardeners. Discover if the AI can guide them towards eco-friendly solutions like organic fertilizers. Let's check out the response. Asyntai's AI chatbot is designed to offer information exclusively about our AI chatbot services. It can detail our products and how they enhance your website. Ask about Asyntai's AI solutions for your business needs. As we scroll through the site, the AI remains active, ready to assist with any horticultural inquiry. New plant parents need clear, actionable advice. This question tests Asyntai's ability to provide simple yet effective care instructions for popular plants. Here's the AI's perspective. Asyntai's AI is designed specifically for our chatbot services. Setup takes only about 5 minutes. We can help you understand how our products benefit your website. Let us know your questions about Asyntai's AI solutions. Beyond just planting, ongoing garden health is vital. See how the AI addresses common issues like unwelcome garden guests with expert pest control tips. Let's see the answer provided. Asyntai's AI chatbot is designed to focus specifically on our services. It can guide you through the benefits of integrating our AI into your website. Get detailed information on how our solutions can enhance your online presence. Every response we've seen so far demonstrates its ability to pull information directly from your website content. Of course, the ultimate question for any business is value. Let's find out how Asyntai positions its pricing for potential users. Here's the information it gives. Asyntai offers flexible pricing to suit your business. Choose from a generous free tier or scale up with our starter, standard, or pro plans. All plans offer significant savings with an annual payment option. Custom enterprise solutions are also available. That's how Asyntai provides instant, accurate answers. Try it yourself for free at asyntai.com. No credit card is required to get started.